Hello and welcome. My name is Sebastian. We do some PostgreSQL commands and we want to have now some specialty of the where clause, and this is when we use the between, the in and like operator. So to show these as an example, I have here selected all my sales data. We have it here on the right. We can run it again. Yeah, there is it. And now we have some specialties with the where clause. For instance, when we want to know a certain range, a range of dates, or a range of amounts, or a range of product IDs. So we want now just to see all the entries where the amount is between 1000 and 1500, for instance. This is a case where we use the between function, and this is like this, and then we say 1000 and 1500. This includes also the 1000 and the 1500, so we can see now here the range. And what is the opposite of it? Can it go when we say not between? So we say we would all want everything, but not what is between 1000 and 1500. Does it work? Yes, it works. So this is how we can use the between operator. And the next operator is the in operator. When we use this one, we use it like this. So we say 1000 and 1200 and 1300, and then it's coming like this. So you see it shows me all the data which is here in this expression. And the in function we use every time when we are a little bit lazy or have a long list of certain amounts, of certain transaction IDs or certain names which are not in a range. So we could also say I want just all the data with sales ID 3, 6, 9, 10, 24. And the list could be longer. And the list could be until millions. And the in operator, sorry, it's not the amount, it is the transaction, sales ID, sales ID, sale ID, see, there it is, 3, 6, 9, 10, 24. So we use the in operator to actually use many filters at once. This is what it's going to us more simpler. Okay, now we come to the last one, and this is the like. And the like we want to use in our products table. So first we say, okay, show me all my products, show me all entries there. There we go. So certain products name from 1 to 25. We order them by product name. So from A to Z. Okay, there we have them. A, C, C, C. And now we could say, okay, I want just all my products which are starting with A. Or I want just these customers starting with the name B, or C, or D, or just have a certain character in it. That is when we use the like clause. We use the like in the where, and now we say my product name like, and then we say we want all starting with an A. Yeah? This we can now leave here away. So actually what we should now see, just our product starting with A and all the columns. There we go. Okay. Do we have also something with C? Okay, we have. Do we have also products which have an A inside? So this is now a smaller one. So, and it has this expression. So we search now for everything with an A. Let's see. Oh, nearly all have an A. And big A. Ah, interesting. So especially AI, automation, assistant, AI, APIs. So all with an A is inside. So this is how you can use also the like function. I hope this helps. I hope you know now better of when to use the between clause in the where expression, when to use the in clause, and when to use the like clause. And it's not a clause, it's expressions. So in the where clause, use between, use like, use in. It makes a whole lot of sense. And I see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.